Good morning, students. This is Suman Chaswal, your English teacher. So, today our class is about describing people. What type of vocabulary you need to describe somebody with the personality a person has, the type of personality he has, you are looking at that person. So, what vocabulary will you use? Which type of word will describe that person? Okay. For a example, the first one is if a person gets angry very easily, he is a short fuse, means any small little thing makes him very agitated and he gets angry. So, what is that describing quality or the word is short tempered. He is short tempered, means he gets angry easily. Next is a person who is very carefree, casual, doesn't get tense, okay, takes everything into his stride, doesn't get agitated with its small problems. So, what describes him? Which word describes him? He is happy-go-lucky. Happy-go-lucky. Okay, he's a carefree person, he doesn't get agitated, he doesn't get upset, so he's a happy-go-lucky person. Okay, which of course nowadays it is quite rare to find a person like that with the increasing pressure and tension that we have all around. So but it is a very good quality, happy-go-lucky person. There's no point getting very agitated, because that's not going to solve the problem. So it is better to take it and try to solve the issue instead of getting angry. If you stress yourself, if you get tense, you're creating problems for yourself, and you can have so many types of diseases also: hypertension, blood pressure, okay, anxiety levels, etc. So, to be happy go lucky is very good. It's a very positive trait of a person, quality of a person. Okay, then uh, a person who is ready to listen to your opinions, your ideas, your views, right? He gives you a patient listening. So what is that quality describing that person? Is he's open minded. Open minded means any view you give him, he listens to it patiently, gives an answer to it, and what you call tries to even understand your point of view also. So he is an open minded person. Next is uh, a person who is very humble. Okay, he may be a big short person, but he is very humble. He doesn't show attitude. He doesn't show airs. He doesn't get hyper, and is very generous, kind, right? He may be a big shot. He may be a rich person. This thing, but he has no attitude. He doesn't show flaunt his riches. So that person is, what is that describing word? Down to earth. He's down to earth. And to my mind comes one great person is from the Tatas. Okay, that he was such a what you call Ratan Tata. He was such a down to earth person. Okay, I had the pleasure of meeting him once during my daughter's convocation. So he's a real gem of a person, and I can give this quality to him: down to earth. Okay, very humble person. Okay, a person who is very careful, organized, okay, and does very everything in a very organized manner, and for plans, and takes all those steps which are required. So he is a methodical person or meticulous person. Okay, he is very organized, not haphazard, just without planning, without organizing, and everything is going here and there. So that is very difficult. It gives you only problem. So that person is very methodical. He's very meticulous because he's very careful. He has an organized way of working things, especially in offices, etc. or schools and colleges, your teachers, your professors, if they're not methodical, you will also say, oh, the plan is not ready, the class lesson is not ready. Okay, so that gives a bad impression to the colleagues as well as to the students. So being methodical is very important. Okay, if you are uh, in a position where you are, interacting with others, so you need to be methodical. Then a person who has always a solution ready, always has new ideas. Okay, so that person is a creative person. Any problem, he has a solution. It may work, it may not work, but he has a solution. Okay? He has ideas to share with you, new ideas, innovative ideas. So he is a creative person. Okay? Then a person who understands things easily. You don't have to explain, you just need to tell and the person understands. So that's a very simple thing. Intelligent person. He's very intelligent because he catches it quickly. You don't need to explain and tell him again and again and, give real details. So that person who catches or understands everything very easily, he is an intelligent person. Okay? Then a person who is very kind and generous. Like I told you, humble person, that is down to earth, but who is kind and generous, always ready to help others. Okay, kind towards others. The others have problems, trying to give them a solution or helping them out. So he is a magnanimous person. Okay, and if you're in a workplace, if your boss is magnanimous, then you love working in such a place. Who's kind, who's generous, he understands your problems, your issues. Okay, tries to find a solution for them. So he is a very magnanimous person. Okay, so today, students, I have told you another last one. Okay, who gives very practical decisions. Okay, like I told you, one who has got solutions, ideas all the time. They may work or they may. He's creative, but who has practical decision? What you call decisions he gives you, practical solutions he gives you, which you can really work on them. Okay, they are not just some solutions. They are practical, which you can follow. So that person is a very sensible person, is a very sensible person. Today, I have basically told you about the good qualities, the good qualities which people show and how you can describe them. In my next class, I will tell you about the negative qualities. What type of vocabulary is used for a person who has some, everybody has some negative qualities. So we will talk about the negative qualities and the vocabulary in my next class. So today was a class of describing people and what type of vocabulary to be used. So first of all, I said person who gets angry, short-tempered. A person who is helpful, kind, generous, magnanimous. A person who doesn't get tense, who takes no stress, happy-go-lucky. A humble person, down to earth. Okay, a person who's open to suggestions, opinions, view, open minded. Okay, person who is careful and organized, he is meticulous, methodical. A person who has solutions, ideas, he is creative. A person who understands things easily, intelligent. A person who gives practical decisions, practical solutions, he's sensible. Okay, so these were the qualities describing a person's personality and the vocabulary to be used for such people. Okay, so you can write down, students, you can write the meaning and try to see your friends or your relatives or your close people who are close to you the so you can describe, is this person down to earth, is he short tempered? So you can, all these traits you can think, okay, Sita is like that, Mohan is like that. So all these qualities you can describe to the people you know around you. So this will help you that you can describe the people. Okay, and you can use that word and improve your English and increase your vocabulary, which is very important for the advanced English. Okay, so thank you, students, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And God bless all of you. Thank you.